Hi, this is Matt with Holly Home Inspections. So during a deck inspection, we're always looking at several aspects of the deck. One of the most critical parts of your deck is your support, your post right here. So this particular post is a 4x4 post. This deck is approximately 10 feet off the ground. And your posts are buried in the dirt. So 4x4 posts are only rated for a deck up to 4 feet off the ground. So once you go above 4 feet off the ground, you need to go to a heavier post, at least a minimum of a 6x6 post. The other thing is you don't ever want to bury your post in the ground. Get yourself a sono tube, pour yourself a concrete pillar, and put your post up on that pillar so it's up off the ground, and the ground moisture and snow and everything can't build up against it and cause the post to rot off prematurely. For all your home inspection needs and all your home inspection questions in the St. Louis and the St. Louis Metro East, call Holly Home Inspections at 314-257-0040 or 618-593-9631. We wish everybody a safe and happy day.